Hey, what's up guys, Tech9 here, and this is the 2026 Motopad, and this is Motorola's take on a budget tablet. So the Motopad starts at 250 bucks. I've been using this for about a couple of days, so I'm comfortably ready to give you guys a first impressions. A full review still is in the works, so stay tuned for that. But basically, here's what I was able to come up with. This might not be the best performing tablet that you'll ever buy. It may not have the best display, it may not have the largest battery, but it damn sure does get a lot of things right. So first of all, from a design perspective, so it's made almost entirely out of metal. It does have this kind of silicone wrap where the camera is for boost of signal, but basically from a design perspective, yeah, all you're gonna feel is metal. It's very thin and light, so that's also a big thumbs up if you want something that's really portable. And the back has this Motorola emblem with this aluminum finish that's very smooth, so a case is recommended if you want to protect the tablet. On the top, you have your two speakers accompanied with your power button and also the Dolby Atmos certification. So that's also a thumbs up if you're going to be using this as a streaming device. On the right hand side, you have your power volume up and down. You also have a tiny microphone on the side, as well as a SIM tray if you want to put data services on the Motopad. On the bottom, you also have an additional two speaker, making it a quad speaker tablet. And you also get the USB-C that supports 20 watt of fast charging. I wish it was either 30 or 45 watts, but that's what they decided to go with. So the speaker quality does sound really good. We'll get to listen to that later on in the video. And overall though, on the left hand side, you also have the 3-dot connector to connect accessories like a keyboard or a mouse pad. So that's also an additional thumbs up in my book. And it's a, like I said, very thin tablet, so it's damn near really portable. So that's a very good thing. Now overall though, from a design perspective, it's cool. It's all right. I'm not really mad at it. And so when it comes to the display, the Motopad has a 11-inch display and it's a Quad HD IPS LCD panel. Now the bezels may not be the thinnest that you'll see, but they're actually not that bad. And it does also support a 90 Hz refresh rate. It gets plenty of bright, but when it comes to outdoor usage, it's not going to be as bright as your smartphone. Now when it comes to watching videos and doing anything that you would do on your tablet, like media consumption, playing games, things like that, this tablet will be perfectly fine for $250. So the display is definitely enjoyable. I have not had any issues when it comes to that. Like I said, outdoor conditions, because of the reflections, it may not be the greatest thing outdoors, but it works fine. When it comes to the quad speakers, take a listen for yourself. Hey, what's up guys, Tech9 here, and this is the 2026 Moto Edge. And I've had this phone for a while now, so I'm ready to give you guys a full review. And so when it comes to the performance of the Motopad, it's, how do I say this? It's mediocre. So basically you get a couple of things. You get the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 for your processor. You get a 7040 milliamp hour battery. Like I said, it does support 20 watts of fast charging. So all in all, what I experienced when it comes to like watching videos, browsing the web, light stuff, this tablet is fine. I mean, it's gonna do most of that. Heavy demanding games, like 3D graphic heavy demanding games, the tablet will work fine. It's gonna heat up a little bit, but from time to time it's gonna glitch out. I've had that happen to me multiple times. But when it comes to like multitasking and doing a couple of things at once, especially when it comes to like browsing the web, watching video, like doing research, writing notes at the same time, this is gonna handle that task very well. Now imagine if you want to use this as almost like a personal computer, you can. So it does have an option where you can actually turn it into like this PC mode that allows you to have a better experience and almost use it as a portable laptop. So that's definitely possible. Now, here is my overall conclusion on the Motopad. So the starting price is $250. The main or the direct competitor for this tablet is the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, which I should get my hands on so that way I can make a comparison. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I'll make it happen. But yeah, as a budget tablet from Motorola, this is gonna be fine for a lot of people. So if you're in the market for a tablet that's under 250 bucks, this is definitely an option. And I know there are some carriers that if you get on with them, they'll give it to you at even more discounted rate, like 150 bucks. I even seen some for $50. So if you're interested, I would go down that route. I would ask your local carrier and see what they say. But overall, not too bad and not too shabby. So this has been my impressions of the 2026 Motopad. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. If you did find this video helpful in any way, make sure you subscribe. A lot more videos are coming soon, so stay tuned. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you all so much for watching.